Hi there! In this video, we're unboxing and testing the AIRTHEREAL portable rechargeable range hood. Opening up the box, right on top we have the user manual and the carbon filters. Tucked underneath we find the portable range hood unit itself, the PVC and aluminum filter, and the charger. Starting with the manual, it's super detailed and covers everything you need to know. I definitely recommend giving this a read. Next is the charger. It's a 17-volt two-way DC charger, and in my testing, it actually charges the unit up pretty quickly. This orange component is our extra PVC and aluminum filter. I'm really glad to see they included a spare in the box. Now, here's the extra carbon filters. You get 5 spares, along with the Velcro needed to attach them. Here is the unit itself. It feels solid and very premium. I especially like these stickers on the front. They tell you exactly what each button does, so there's no guesswork. There is already an aluminum filter and carbon filter pre-attached. It's held in place by a strong magnet, as you can see, and it's very simple to remove and reattach. I'll get the unit charging now. The light flashes white while charging, and once it's fully topped off, the flashing stops. I also forgot to mention the oil collection cup on the front. Depending on what you're cooking and the fumes being extracted, oil can collect in here. So you'll want to clean this regularly. Check the manual for more information on maintenance. Now let's power it on for the first time. Holding the top button turns it on, and a short press toggles the built-in light on and off. Pressing the second button increases the fan speed through low, medium, and high. It feels quite powerful, and I'm definitely impressed. Now for our real-world test. I have an electric pot boiling here, and you can clearly see the vapors rising. When I turn on the range hood, the steam is immediately sucked into the unit. As I turn up the speed, you can see just how fast it clears the air. I am impressed. It works exactly as advertised and seemed to do a great job removing odors as well. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!